For the last 5 years, we've had a small computer-controlled camera watching a nesting site above our deck. It has been a favorite site for common house finches to lay eggs and raise a brood. We've seen several broods raised in this nest and have some video of them fledging in the past. But the big birds now know it as an easy place to pick on the little birds and steal their eggs. It is no longer a safe site for the little birds. It is the beginning of the spring nesting season, and the big birds are already out looking for snacks. We've seen blue jays attack the nest in the past, but this morning, immediately after a jay arrived, a ladder-backed woodpecker came to inspect. Apparently upset with what it found, it proceeded to wreck what was left of last year's nest.